Let's go to some stock picks. Graeme Körner, you're going with Coronation.
Yeah, I'm going with Coronation. So I think it's a fairly simple business model. If you look at the last AUM update, I think it was 667 billion rand. It's a big number. AUM has done very little over a decade, but they had such a big portion of the market in terms of the investable capital, third-party capital, that's probably sensible. But also, Simon, all of us know that the market has done virtually nothing for a long time. So it's not like you had, natural market momentum at your back. So for me, the bottom line is you're probably looking circa 4 rands worth of earnings. Pretty much all the earnings flow through. So what do I like? It has been a little bit of a kick up in AUM. If you look ever since the GNU markets are looking a lot more friendly. The cost base doesn't change awfully much, but if you get a 10, 20% kick in the market, then that just drops to the bottom line. But the other nice thing is if you sign today, you get a free pen. That pretty much all the earnings flows through in dividends. But what I really liked was the recent move to increase their black ownership to 51%. I think that will help them secure new AUM. It could be a game changer, but it's really cheap, and it's a lot of those worries in terms of AUM shrinkage and the shifting sands in terms of the allocation to managers that weren't 51%. A lot of those, the tax issue, that's all gone. So in a way, you're getting compensated with cash-like returns. Reasonable visibility, I would argue, on the short to medium term, with some optionality if the markets remain kind.
Yeah, no, nice stock. Ricus, Siemens, stock I haven't heard of in 100 years, and it is almost 200 years old. You're going back to old school.
Yeah. Very much so, in a certain sense, if you think of Siemens as just a heavy industrial engineering company. A little bit more than that. They are very much involved in things like helping to build farms for AI and smart buildings and that kind of thing. So very much in the forefront of engineering technology. But just going back a little bit macro, if you compare something like Siemens, which is market construction engineering, the valuation of that being a European listed company but being multinational, as opposed to their US counterparts, it's heck of a cheap. So people are putting a discount on it because it's European. I think one should ignore that. Take a look at what the share price is doing, what they are doing. Share prices is actually breaking to new highs, and still, on a comparative valuation basis to the US, still damn cheap. Plus, it obviously the vector of growth, which is very much into not merely constructing and engineering stuff, but making it smart.
Yeah, no, I take a opinion. It's a great looking chart. Bottom left, top right, all the way out. We'll leave that there for tonight's Stock Watch. Thanks to our guests, Ricus Reeders, PSG Holding One Ruimsig, going with Siemens, Graeme Körner from Körner Perspective, going with Coronation. Up next, the close. Stay tuned.